And then again, at time of install, you're just making sure that that the temperature of the concrete surface is at least 10 degrees above that ambient dew point.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit.
And wood as well. Wood subfloors, OS-oriented strand board, plywood, concrete, gypsum, all of them require an absence of the humidity being placed on or in that subfloor. Okay, it's not limited just to concrete.
And the understanding is because all of those subfloors that you mentioned will absorb moisture from the air if there is a dew point issue.
Absolutely.